Hey there, Travis Cawthorn with Kramer rAVe here at InfoComm 2026. Here at our Session Manager wall, we're highlighting a software-only solution for video conferencing. So here on the main display, you can customize this UI. It's a single click to join for Zoom, Teams, WebEx, Google. We don't really care the video conferencing platform, kind of unique out there in the market. All these widgets are customizable, backgrounds are customizable, and then the whole system also integrates with touch panels. So you have an on-table tablet. If I were to launch a web page here, you can click close applications and meeting. There's also room control, so you can pull up a Kramer control UI embedded within the touch panel. And then it also has a room entrance tablet. So that's all part of the Session Manager system, room booking, scheduling of your different types of video conferencing platforms. Again, Teams, Zoom, WebEx, Google, and this is managed through our PanArray platform. If you would like to get some more information, reach out to us at kramerAV.com. Thanks for stopping by.